What if you could launch a fully branded social media management platform in days, not years? A platform where clients log in under your brand, manage their social channels, and pay you every single month. That is exactly what OnlySocial White Label lets you do. In this video, I will show you how to set up your OnlySocial White Label by walking you through SocialIt, a fully branded social media app built with OnlySocial White Label. We will cover everything from enterprise dashboard, usage stats, managing users and workspaces, creating subscription plans, configuring billing, payment platforms, onboarding, customization, to webhooks, and more. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to Enterprise Console. This is your enterprise dashboard. Every time you click here, this is the first thing you see, and it's designed to show you one simple thing: how your business is growing over time. The first chart shows your users. It tells you exactly how your users grow over time. Every time a new user joins your platform, you will see it here. Upward movement means growth. Flat lines mean it's time to ramp up your marketing. The second chart tracks your workspaces. This shows you how your workspaces grow over time. Each workspace represents a client or a team using your platform. The subscriptions chart is the one that matters most because it tracks how your subscriptions grow over time. New subscriptions mean new recurring revenue. This dashboard puts your entire agency's growth on one screen. Moving on to usage stats. When you click on usage stats, this gives you an instant snapshot of two critical things: the number of users and workspaces. The user's number tells you exactly how many users are currently on your platform. No need to dig through tables or run reports. It's right there. But if you want to dig through tables, click on the number and you will be taken directly to the dedicated users management page, where you can see the full list, search, edit, or delete users. The workspaces number shows you the total number of active workspaces. Remember, each workspace represents a client or a team. Below the numbers, you'll find two powerful action buttons. Create User. Clicking this lets you add a new user manually, bypassing the sign-up process entirely. Perfect for onboarding clients instantly. Create Workspace. Clicking this opens the Workspace creation page, allowing you to set up a new workspace in seconds. Now let's look at the dedicated users page. Remember, you can get here by clicking the user count in usage stats or by selecting users from the sidebar. Right at the top, you have a Create New User button. This allows you to add users manually without them going through sign-up. Perfect for onboarding clients instantly or creating internal accounts for your team. Below that, you see a complete list of every user on your platform. The table shows their name, email, and when they joined. Now, what if you have dozens or hundreds of users? If you need to find someone specific, you can use the search bar. Just type a name or email and the list filters instantly. Now click on any user to dive deeper. Let's look at Tester. This is the user's profile. From here, you have powerful management options. Attach a workspace to the user. You can assign a workspace and include specific roles like admin, member, or viewer. Add or update a generic subscription plan on the attached workspace. Perfect for manually activating or upgrading a client's plan. Assign more than one workspace to a user. Great for power users or agency owners managing multiple brands. Impersonate a user. This is a huge time saver. Clicking this lets you log in as that user to see exactly what they see. Perfect for troubleshooting or providing support. Edit the user details directly. Update their name, email, or other information. Delete the user completely. Remove them from your platform entirely if needed. These options give you complete control over every user on your platform. From a single profile, you can manage workspaces, subscriptions, roles, and even step into their shoes to see their experience. Now, moving on to the business section. Under business, we have two main areas: workspaces and receipts. Let's start with the Workspaces tab. This is where you manage every workspace on your platform. When you click here, you see a complete list of all workspaces. Let me walk you through every option available on the workspace. Right at the top, you have a Create Workspace button. Give the workspace a recognizable name. Then look at access status. You have 3 powerful options. First, requires subscription. This is the standard choice for paying clients. They can't access the workspace until you assign a plan, so use this for paying clients. Second, unlimited. Full access. No restrictions. Use this for your internal team or VIP partners. No subscription needed, no limits to all available features. Third, locked. Use this option to disable the workspace. Perfect for canceled clients or temporary suspensions. Use the color picker to assign a brand color to the workspace. It makes identifying clients in your dashboard instant. Then, search for and assign an owner. This links the workspace to a specific user who will have administrative control. Hit Create and the workspace is live. Now here's what makes workspaces so flexible. A single workspace can be assigned to multiple users on your platform. You are not limited to just one person. This is perfect for agencies where a team needs to collaborate on a different client accounts. And once the workspace has a subscription, you have total control. You can upgrade or downgrade the subscription plan at any time. Simply click into the workspace, go to Add Generic Subscription, select a new plan, and adjust the duration if needed. This gives you the agility to adapt to your clients' changing needs instantly, ensuring they always have the right level of access. Still in the business section, let's talk money. Click on the Receipts tab. While most billing is automated, sometimes you need to handle custom arrangements, like wire transfers or special deals. Here, you can issue a manual receipt. Start by typing to search for the workspace this receipt belongs to. This links the payment directly to the correct client account. Next, enter a unique invoice number for your records. If the payment came through a bank transfer or any other manual method, add the transaction ID here for reference. Then, enter the payment amount and any applicable tax. Select the currency for the transaction and add a brief description, something clear like annual subscription fee. Finally, select the date the payment was received. Once you have filled everything out, hit Create. The receipt is now saved in your system. This ensures your financial records are complete and accurate, even for offline payments. Moving on to the Configuration section. Under Configuration, we have many tabs, but first up is Plans. This is where you can create and manage subscription plans for your customers. Now, let's look at how to create a plan. Click Create Plan button. Give it a clear name, like Starter. Select either to make it a free plan or paid plan. Choose Enabled to make it active or Disabled to keep it in draft. Select either to make it visible or hidden. Visible means customers can see it on your pricing page. Hidden means only you can manually assign it. Perfect for private plans or lifetime deals. The sort order controls the order plan's appearance, so 0 will appear first. Toggle this on or off to let customers use Twitter's free API tier on the plan. Next, set your price information for monthly and yearly pricing. Enter the amount in your chosen currency. Then add the platform plan ID, the ID you get from Stripe, Paddle, or Paystack. This links your plan to your payment processor. Now here's the most powerful part, limits. By default, the plan offers access to all features, but you can control exactly what features you want to make available for every plans. Click Add Limit and a window will appear. Here you can restrict features based on how you want to structure your pricing plans. You can add as many limits as you want. This is how you build a flexible, scalable pricing model. Now moving on to the settings. Under Settings, we have several sub-tabs. Let's go through them one by one. From System here, Decide if users can create multiple workspaces. You can also configure dedicated Twitter API settings if you want clients to manage their own API keys. Don't forget to paste your documentation URL for XAPI setting. You can copy our document setting for XAPI to your website and add the link here. Next, let's move on to billing. This is where you configure exactly how subscriptions work on your platform, from currency and trial periods to proration and invoicing. Select your default currency, like USD. Choose either to offer monthly, yearly, or both. Set the length of your free trial, such as 7 days. Toggle this to yes if you want to offer trials without requiring a credit card upfront. Enable this to charge users only the difference when they switch plans mid-cycle. Choose whether to invoice immediately upon plan changes or wait for the next cycle. Customize what appears on invoices to match your brand. Add your business info. And lastly, enter the link to your pricing page. Next, click on the Payment Platforms tab. This is where you connect the payment gateways that will process all your customer transactions. To configure a platform, simply click on the one you want to use, whether it's Stripe, Paddle, or Paystack. You will then enter your API keys, the publishable key, secret key, and webhook signing secret. You can find these credentials directly in your payment provider's dashboard. Once entered, your platform is ready to accept payments securely. Next is onboarding. This section controls exactly how new users join your app, from registration to account verification. These settings can be configured based on your preference to match your business model. Next is customization. This is where you gain full brand control over your platform. Here, you can upload your own logo and favicons and set your specific theme colors to match your brand identity perfectly. As you make changes, use the live preview feature on the right side of the screen. It shows you exactly how your updates look in real time, adjusting everything from buttons and alerts to modals, tooltips, and even the calendar interface. This ensures your platform looks professional and consistent before you ever go live. Next is scripts. This is where you can add custom code to your platform, perfect for integrating chat widgets or other customer support tools. Now, let's look at the AI settings. With integration of OpenAI, here you can control how AI works on your platform. Set instructions for generating captions. Set a credit limit for when users generate images with AI. Set the images instructions for what kind of visuals the AI should create. Finally, let's quickly cover the remaining configuration settings that give you even more control. With webhooks, you can connect your platform to other apps in real time. Simply create a webhook, set your callback URL, and select events like user created or user email verified, etc. This automates your workflow by sending data instantly to your CRM of your choice. With SSO partners, your enterprise clients can log in using their own corporate credentials. This is where you manage Twitter API connections. You can connect your own API key or let your customers bring their own through the subscription plan settings. OnlySocial also supports custom SMTP, which means you can connect your own email server or a service like SendGrid, Amazon SES, or Gmail SMTP to send emails from your own domain. And lastly, the custom help link. Simply paste a link to your own knowledge base or video tutorials for your white label app. This reduces support tickets by empowering users to find answers themselves while keeping them firmly within your ecosystem. This is how you set up your own white label platform, all under your brand, all on your terms. Now the big question is, how will your customers actually use your app? Every feature, every tool, they will need a guide. You will need to watch the Introduction to OnlySocial video tutorial on our YouTube channel. Check the link in the description below. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. Thanks for watching. Go build your social media empire, and I will see you in the next video.